Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open Capcut. Go to New Project and add one video and a photo. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust video and photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Turn down the video volume to 0. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photo to this time duration. Now add effect. Tap on photo, go to style, and apply 3D Zoom Pro effect. Set photo to 3.7 seconds. Now slide right to video and tap on photo. Go back and then go to effects. Then to video effects. Now, slide left and go to party. Now slide up and apply strobe effect. Apply effect till the end of the photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.